Howdy ho, YouTube. It's been a minute. I literally have not done much to the van since it shaved my ass. I have done a little sanding here and there, and in the course of that, I did find more rust on the driver's side rocker in between the front and rear wheels. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today. We cut that out. I got new panel from CIP. Ordered it last week, came really quick, which is really nice because it comes from Canada. And I don't know if anybody's been international shipping lately, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. But CIP, shout out to those guys. They are really good about getting parts out on time, especially if they have them. So if you need any body panels, parts, weird parts for your Vanagon, bay bus, bug, air-cooled, water-cooled, any of the older Volkswagens, you know, Vanagons and earlier, they kind of specialize in that stuff. They do have a lot of good just OEM style replacement parts as far as brakes and suspension parts and whatnot like that. But for me, I found they've been a really reliable source for body stuff. And their shipping is very reasonable and quick, which seems to be the hardest part nowadays, is getting decent shipping. So today I'm going to be working on that quarter panel, or that rocker panel. Once again, this is not a tutorial. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so I'm just a guy who's not afraid to mess stuff up, and everything can be fixed. It's just stuff. It's okay. Yeah, so a lot of it's going to be hyperspeed, stop motion type stuff. So just because it's going to take me a good part of the day to do this, so I don't want to have like a 2-hour YouTube video. So there'll be stuff cut in and out of here and there, and yeah, but I'll show you. I got a bunch of goodies from I think I can't remember if I ordered for the Bus Depot or Van Cafe. Let me look. Yeah, the Bus Depot. Yeah, them too. Like they've been really good with shipping. They're quick, and if they don't have stuff in stock, they tell you. Unfortunately, they tell you after you order them because they don't do stock on their website, which I don't really like that all that much. But I got, this is new window seals, which is good. A couple of them are back ordered, so I bought the kit, and they're just going to send me the other two that are back ordered in July. And then I also got new grill. Got my roundies. I'm just working on sourcing some headlight buckets, round headlight buckets. I want to go OEM, but it's really kind of hard to find OEM stuff that's not all clapped out. So I don't mind like doing some sandblasting and painting stuff, but if I buy OEM buckets and I have to do all the adjusters and stuff on it, I might as well just buy the new ones that are remanufactured from Go Westy or Van Cafe or wherever you get them from. So yeah, that's going to be the video today. We'll see how it goes. Might be, I'm going to try to keep it under 15 minutes. So, all right, peace out. Maybe I'll chat at the end. Just a quick look at what I'm dealing with here. Did an Instagram post, but this is what I'll be working on today. Cutting this bad mamma jam out. Trying to decide if I replace the whole panel, because I have this whole rocker, but up here is fine. So I might just end up cutting this section out, but unfortunately the replacement panel doesn't have this bead in it, which I'm kind of confused about. I don't really know why. So honestly, I'll probably end up just cutting this whole panel out, this whole thing out up to here, and then patching that, basically doing that whole panel back to this seam right here. But it's all because of this Swiss cheese. You know, this thing's seen a lot of miles.
HPA Beats.
Wait.